Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble elevator in Minecraft Bedrock. These handy contraptions allow for quick vertical travel. You can build two main types, one that pulls you up and another that pushes you down. The key ingredients are a simple 1x1 water column and either soul sand for upward movement or a magma block for downward travel. Let's dive into the easy steps to construct your very own bubble elevator in your world. To build an upward bubble elevator, begin by creating a 1x1 vertical shaft using any solid block. Make sure this shaft is at least 2 blocks high. Next, fill the entire column with water, ensuring every block is a water source. A simple trick is to place kelp from the bottom up, then break it. Finally, place a soul sand block at the very bottom of your water column. This will instantly create powerful upward moving bubbles. For a downward bubble elevator, the initial setup is quite similar. Start by building a 1x1 vertical shaft, again using solid blocks, and ensure it is at least 2 blocks tall. Just like before, fill the entire column with water, making certain that every single block is a water source. The crucial difference here is to place a magma block at the very bottom of your water column. This will generate a strong downward current, pulling you swiftly to the bottom. Here are a few helpful tips for optimizing your bubble elevator. If you have trouble getting all water blocks to be sources, simply place kelp from the bottom of the column all the way to the top, then break it. Always enclose your elevator with solid blocks to prevent any water from spilling out. Finally, ensure there are absolutely no air gaps within your water column. A continuous flow is essential for proper function. Enjoy your new fast travel system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.